For years, we've been discussing the leadership problem that has besieged Africa, and it seems this problem is not going away anytime soon. Things remain practically unchanged, or are even getting worse. The tyrants in the form of political leaders refuse to leave. They grow old and rotten in their positions of leadership, and even place their children and families in these roles, turning leadership into their family property. They loot public funds and become corrupt with power. Things get worse and worse, and our people are drowned in poverty. What exactly should we do? How do we address this problem? I think we should go back to the very foundation of what caused our problem. The idea of introducing democracy into our system of leadership has been the major cause of our woes. Democracy is a pure scam in Africa. I have said it before, it is nothing more than a tool used by foreign powers to colonize us and keep us under their oppression. Nothing has worked for us so far. It's 1 step forward and 10 steps backward. Where is the progress? Apart from the fact that many nations claiming to practice democracy in the Western world are a bunch of hypocrites, with some practicing republics and others monarchies, democracy is chaos in Africa. It is not what we are used to. It is not what we are historically or naturally inclined toward. The foreign system of government does not work in Africa. Our system is a spiritually led government. Africa should be leading the world with spiritual insight and direction. Foreign countries should not be telling us what to do. We should be the ones leading the world spiritually. We do not follow the systems of the world. We do not follow their styles or technologies. We follow divine order and direction. Africa is the hub of spirituality in the world, and Africans are spiritually sensitive people. So the only system of government that works for us in Africa is a spiritually ordained system. We must create this awareness among ourselves. We must stop depending on democracy and politicians to solve our problem or give us the leadership we need. Africa needs spiritually sensitive leaders, not tyrants. We need people who are tested and trusted in spiritual matters. How do we go about this assignment? By first creating awareness among ourselves. We must keep talking about it and building massive awareness. The days of darkness are over. Now it's time for light, for progress and development. We are sick and tired of wicked, corrupt souls as our leaders. I recently watched the conflicts going on in many parts of Africa, and my heart bleeds. We need people who have the heart of God to lead us in the will and purpose of God. I know there are questions in your mind about how this will happen, who will elect or select these leaders, and what the criteria will be. I will discuss all of that. Stick around for updates. We need change, and now is the time for it. We cannot wait for it. We have to make it happen. We will engage both our spiritual and physical weapons. Our spiritual weapons are prayer and the power of faith. Our physical weapons are our interactions and actions. We must speak out and speak loudly. We must not be silent. We must not be patient while evil reigns. We cannot simply hope for things to get better. We must take action, and we must take it now. People of God, let's wake up and take our place. Let's call on the God of heaven and earth to intervene in our affairs and bring the kingdom of darkness to an end. Africa will rise again. I know and I believe. If you believe with me, share this post and let's spread the word. God bless you. Read part 2, the only system that works in Africa. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to Bookminds. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact +31,685,154,335. For support and sponsorship, contact sopiansofgojmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 2. Africa's nuclear weapon. 3. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.